This whole chicken is for 380. Just look at it. Wow. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, guess what? Today I'm gonna show you the street fried chicken that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? So I'm gonna go towards a place called Colin Lane, right? So it's right that way. So let's go guys. And yes, so if you're watching my vlog for the first time guys, please subscribe. Please subscribe. You see that red button? Just click that subscribe button. Okay guys, let's go explore this street style fried chicken that you get here in the street of Kolkata. Let's go guys. Guys, see this huge pot of milk. It's crazy, you know. Let's go guys. And they have, fruit stalls here. You get all kinds of fruits here, right? In the street of Kolkata. And guys, you see this one? This one is the summer fruit. It's called the lychee, right? So if you tried that, you let me know in the comment. So this is the footpath, right? That's the main road there, and they sell vegetables and yeah. So that's how it is, guys. Guys, look at this goats here, right? These are the mutton. They'll be slaughtered, and the people will enjoy that as mutton. And this is the local tea stall here, right? Now look guys, right now I'm at a place called Colin Street here in Kolkata, right? So this is the main busy road here, and the chicken stall is right over there guys. Look guys, so they have they have different food stalls here as well, right? And these are the mangoes. If you love mangoes, you let me know as well. Hello buddy. See this dog? I think he's lost. No, he's not lost. He's just fine. And they have vegetable stalls here as well. So guys, here we are. So I was talking about this fried chicken, right? That you get here on the street of Kolkata, right? Hello brother. Good evening. You're fine? How about you? Look guys. So he has all different parts of chicken here, right? This is the skewers, and this is the wings, and this is the bone piece, right? And just look at this full chicken. Brother, iska kitna hoga? How much is for this? 380. Guys, if you buy this whole chicken is 380, right? And you can get 35 for leg piece, the drumstick. This is the breast piece is 35 rupees as well, and this both are leg piece as well, right? Look guys, now this brother is selling the same fried chicken as well. So look guys, let me show you from far. This is a busy road here, so I need to be careful, right? The cars don't hit me. Take it. That brother was saying me move aside, the cars will hit you. Look guys, so as I was saying, right, so if you buy this whole chicken, right, this will cost you 380. I think that's what he said. 380 the bhaiya? 380. Look guys. And so yeah, so you buy the chicken, whichever part you like or wish to eat, right? So he takes them and he puts some extra spices, right? I'm gonna show you. Look guys, so he has this woods here, so he burns the wood in this tube and he fries the chicken, right? So whichever part you want to have, so he takes it and he deep fries it again, adding some extra spices, right? So he has chicken in that and that as well, right? So yeah, and this brother runs the shop till 1:30 at night. That's crazy. Guys, can you hear the bubbles? It's crazy. So it's just a unique, so he burns this wood in this tube, right? And yeah, and he fries the chicken. And he cuts them, right? After he cuts them, excuse me, brother. So after he cuts the chicken, he's gonna deep fry that. Look, guys, he's gonna add some extra spices from there, right? From that bowls there, and that's how he does it. This is fried, ready to eat. Now look, guys. So he added some spice. Brother, which spice is that? वो कौन सा मसाला है?
ये बहुत मसाला है यार।
Chaat masala, you know?
चाट मसाला।
Chaat masala. So guys, after he fries the chicken, no, it's fine, thank you. After he fries the chicken, he adds some chaat masala as well as some lime.
मेरा दोस्त को दिखाइए।
And if you want to take this as parcel, that's how he parcel that in this foil bag, right?
Yeah.
What's up, buddy? Why is he barking? Why are you barking, brother? He's barking. I don't know. Why is he barking? Look, guys. And guys, which piece is your favorite? You let me know. For me, you know, personally, I like the leg piece. You know, it's just so easy to eat. Guys, will you be able to eat this whole chicken? I've seen people eating this, you know, just eating the whole chicken, you know, under 2-3 minutes. That's crazy. So guys, to keep the fire burning, right, that brother uses the wood, right, that's down there.
ये देसी कड़क हो गया
Right, guys, so as I was saying, right, I'm at a place called Collins Street here in Kolkata, right? So if you don't know where Collins Street is, like, it's near Park Street. So if you come to Park Street, if you ask anybody where is Collins Street, they're gonna show you where is Collins Street. And this chicken is fried.
बहुत कंफ्यूज, ये बहुत कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा। ये तो सारा रास्ता नीचे बोले थोड़ा ऊपर कर दो लाइट को, लाइट ऊपर किया ज़्यादा।
Okay, brother. Good night. You have a good night. Thank you for your time. Okay.